Stuck on how to assemble these Super Mario chip bags? Watch this video for my basic steps on how you can assemble them. For the best DIY kids party planning advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Tuesday. Alrighty, so let's get started. The tools that you'll be needing is your printable, which you will find once again in the link in the description box below. You will download it. Yours will look slightly different to mine. It will just say happy birthday on it. Okay, you would print this on some type of a glossy paper. As you can see, it's quite shiny. I will link all my resources down below the video too. Alright, you will of course need something to fill your bags with. I'm going to be filling it with some popcorn. So these bags, or these printables here, will hold some type of small little chip bags, or if you want to fill it with lollies or some type of goodies for your goodie bag, it's up to you. Alright, and I have over here my crimping tool, and that just makes it look a lot more realistic, which I'll show you how to use in just a second. Some type of adhesive tape to obviously tape your bag together. I'm using my ACG gun, which looks like this. Alright, it's very handy. It's one of my favorite tools. And then your scissors. Alright, so when you print out your chip bag, you'll notice that it has a white box around it. Okay, so all you need to do is to cut the top and the bottom border, but leave your side borders because that's what's going to help you pull the bag together. All right, so that's the first thing we're going to do, is we're just going to cut out our border. All right, so there is our chip bag template. So now all we're going to do is add our whatever you're going to use to the chip bag. So we're just going to turn it over, and I'm just going to add just a slight little bit of double-sided tape, or just any type of tape over here, just to adhere my chips to it. Okay, and then I kind of just look for where the center is, and I can kind of see it in the light. It's about there. All right, so I'm just going to put some tape on it there. Okay, and then all I'm going to do is now pop my bag on top, give it a bit of a push down so it stick to it. Okay, and there we go. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is add some tape to it. So I just want to see how it's going to look. So I'm just going to pop those two together. Alright, so that should be pretty good, about there. Okay, so all I'm going to do is add some tape to the side here. Try and get to the edge as much as you possibly can. All we're going to do is run our tape gun all the way down the side of it. And then we're going to do the same thing on the side. And that's going to help it glue together at the bottom and the top. Alrighty. So let's have a look here. Okay, and let's join it by making sure that it is joined the top and the bottom, and give it a nice push down like so. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to squeeze it here in the middle, and then slowly move your way out to the sides. Try and make sure that they actually join up. As you can see, mine didn't join up, so I would either need to cut that off. Actually, that didn't work out at all. Doesn't really matter. Alright, and then we do the bottom parts too. So it's quite fiddly, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes a lot more easier. Alright, there we go. Alright. Okay, so that is how it's meant to look, and then just kind of maneuver it a little bit. Okay, and so that is my chip bag. So now, like I say, you don't need to use this option, do this option, but I like to add it. So as you can see, I'll show you at the bottom here, it's got nothing, all right? All right, nothing at all, okay? So this is what it will look like once it does have it. So all I'm doing is just adding it in there. So just sliding it through, if you can get it in there. There we go. And then we're just going to twist it and twist it. Give it a few seconds and let go. Okay, you kind of can't, I don't know if you can see that in the camera. Maybe at the back, there we go, that's a bit better. All right, so that's what it looks like when you crimp it. And it kind of also pushes it a lot more tighter together too, which is what you want, okay? And that's obviously what it looks like without it. I made a bit of a mistake over here and over here, but this is only for you guys. It's not actually a order, so all good. And then, all right, so let me do this side too, so you can kind of get an idea of how it looks both sides. So squish it in there. And give it a push down, like so. Off. Okay, there we go. So that's what it looks like. The back probably looks a little bit more better. All right, but like I say, I have didn't really do a good job of it, but you kind of get the idea of what you need to do with assembling your Super Mario bags, okay? But just make sure that you do tape it correctly here, and when you're using this machine here, make sure you do put it in the right way. I did it a bit skew. So this video is pretty much what not to do with your chip bags. Okay, and that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and your family, and leave me a comment down below of what you thought of this video, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Alright guys, thanks very much for watching. Take care. Bye.